Welcome back. This is the introductory video to Chapter 8, Recent Origin of the Invertebrates. Well, after much controversy, the fossil record and also molecular studies, DNA, are indicating that animal life began with the Avalon explosion, which took place between 575 and 560 million years ago. So we'll begin this chapter with the Avalon explosion. Then we'll focus on animal classifications. Animals have increased in complexity over time, beginning with the cnidarians. This is a jellyfish, but sea anemones are also cnidarians. Then we have flatworms. And this classification system is based on whether animals had a coelom or a cavity in which internal organs are housed. And so the flatworms didn't have a coelom, so they're called acoelomates. And then we have the pseudocoelomates, which include the nematodes and rotifers. And then we have the true coelomates, where there's internal organs, and that would include the mollusks, annelids, arthropods, and us, the deuterostomes, vertebrates, and so on. So we'll go over these classification schemes as well as the fossil record of the Ediacaran and early Cambrian, beginning in the, actually after the Avalon explosion. So this section will begin in 560 million years ago and conclude in the middle of the Cambrian explosion. So we'll start down here at 560 million years ago, and then we'll look at the different phases of complexity. So there aren't many actual fossils, but there's a lot of trace fossils, like wormholes and burrows that animals have left behind. Then we'll focus on three of the major classes of invertebrates. First, the annelid worms, and then the mollusks, and this is the hypothetical ancestral mollusks. It's not surprising, but mollusks show up first in the fossil record, probably because of their hard shell. And when I say first, I mean of the protostomes, the coelomates. So this is the hypothetical ancestral mollusk. And then we'll look at the arthropods, so crustaceans, includes insects and so on. And finally, we'll look at the deuterostomes, which is the group that includes the invertebrates. And this is actually a cephalochordate. It was a filter feeder. And it is considered to be the ancestor of the vertebrates. We'll see you next time.